Well, we made a quick stop by probably the biggest inspiration to my channel in the entire world. These guys really got me started actually pushing hard for content and actually really wanting to go after this life. Welcome to PFI. No one's here because we're here super early, but we just want to stop by and just see the place for a second. Why? It's only 15 minutes out of the way, so why not? So me and Brett came out, stopped by right quick. But yeah, it's...
My car's in there.
There's stage cars in there?
The stage car's in there.
Yeah, I saw it on a couple of days ago on the pictures of it in there. But yeah, this is it. And it smells just like they said it does. You can smell the farm, I guess the pig farm or chicken farm or something. Yeah, it smells fantastic out here. But anyway, this is it. This is the hub of PFI. It's just as impressive in person. All right, back to the road. Well, good morning. We just woke up, got around, getting the cars all set up, getting ready for tech here in 30 minutes. Just I think it's a class check-in really to make sure you're all class legal. But I'm running modified, so it really doesn't matter. I got Fiestas all ready to go. But yeah, it was a good night. Slept in the Cayenne last night. It was actually a lot more comfortable than I expected. And also, you get to wake up to this view. Like, look at all this. Do a panoramic slow turn. I may try to get the drone up right quick before we get started, but oh, it is beautiful out here. It's a little balmy. It's like 49 or so and the wind's blowing, but I really can't complain about that, especially after leaving Arkansas when it was in the 80s and super humid. So yeah, not mad about that. Gotta get the GoPro ready. I think we're running third heat, so we'll be working first. So I'm gonna get some photography and some videos in first.
Gonzo.
Give it a minute. He might.
How do snow tires do at the mud? He has pretty big blocks in this.
Again. Is it safer when you push it out?
We're gonna push it back.
Yeah.